Today we will create a simple calculator in C Sharp with the help of Visual Studio. So let's get started. First we have to take input. We will write console dot write line. So we will type a first number. Type first value. And we will take this value for first we will see the output. You can see the output, that is type of first value. Okay, but it has to take integer value and then some operator and then the second value and then the final output or final equal value we have to show in the console window. That is our calculator for the day. Okay, let's get start. Okay, we will add some value. We have to take integer this is a, and we will take the value from console.readline. Okay, so what is this error we have shown here? Cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. Okay, so console.readline is a return type as string, so we have to convert this value, we have to convert this string value into the integer. How can we do? So we will type the message for the addition. Console.writeLine. Console.writeLine. The addition is the addition in bracket a plus b. We have the method for converting the string value to integer, that is parse in.parse. So this is how we can convert this console.readline into the integer a. Okay. After that we have to decide that addition, subtraction, what we want to apply for the calculation. So we will give a message for type operator, console dot write line type operator, and now after the message we have to take the operator, which is plus, minus, divide or multiply. So we will type for that console dot read line, again read line. If you want to take output from the console window, we have to type console dot read line. So this console dot write line, it is an it has a string method, but we want to do only one character, because plus, minus, divide, it may be only connect characters. We doesn't need a string. Okay, so we'll convert this into the character. So let's start to convert. We have type this char ch equals to, you can see the error message, cannot implicitly convert type to string character. So how can we convert this? So let's start by char to pass. So by using this char to pass, we convert this string into the character only. Okay, so now we want the second integer. So for the second integer, this is same for, just we have typed the first and value second value. Okay, we can see now what is output. Okay, so by seeing the output on the screen, we will type the value for the, for example, 11. Okay, so okay, type operator, suppose we are typing a plus. Okay, type a second value, we will give the value 22. Okay, and this value, you can see now the first value is 11 plus 22 is the second value. So by the calculation, we get the calculate value is equal to 23. Okay, so that is the thing we want for the operation. But by clicking the enter, we doesn't get any value because we have not performed the final output stage. Okay, so let's get start. By using switch statement, we can find out which particular operator has entered, and then by identifying the operator, we can calculate the value by the specified operator by using switch statement. So let's start. First we have to use switch keyword. Okay, then in the switch keyword, in bracket, we have to use ch, that is character. Then in curly braces, we have to show the case. First case is, for example, it is plus sign. Okay, you can see here there is some error showing, but if we use break statement, then you can see that error is gone. So if you're using a switch statement and you are using in the curly braces case, you must give the break to the key, and then in the middle of that you can enter your message. So this can be used to show the output for the addition. Okay, this is for the case for the plus, if it is an addition. But suppose we want also plus also for the subtraction, we can use same as it is, but we have to change the operator. Here is plus, minus, and then subtraction. We have to change the sign for, okay, this is for the subtraction. Then for, we want also for the multiplication. We will copy the same and we will change the sign to the multiplication. The multiplication is a into b, and then last is for the division. Division. It is very simple, and you can see now we have the case for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We can see the output now. For type of first value, okay, we will type the first 5. We will perform the operation multiplication. We enter second value 5. So we have to show the output now. The multiplication is 25. Okay, you can test your code. Okay, so this is for the multiplication, division, subtraction. But suppose if it doesn't have any valid character, it's not a plus, minus, divide or multiplication. For example, it is an 1. What will happen? It will go on through error and break the program. So if that is not want to be happen, we have to use the default. We have to use the case default and break. We don't need to specify the case for default value. So we will write this message for that. Console dot write line. We will show the message for you have not entered the correct operator. So we will test the output now. We will enter the value 5. For example, now we have entered a wrong character or operator 6. Enter second value is also 5. You can see that you have not entered the correct operator. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you really like this video, Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.